In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect with Expert in AppyPie. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to pick a time that works for you, and what to include so your expert can help you faster and more effectively. Start by opening the AppyPie website and signing into your account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to authenticate so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, head to the Builder area. This is your main dashboard for creating and managing your projects, and it's also where the support options live. Look toward the top right corner of the Builder interface. You'll see a Manage option there. Click it to expand your management tools and then select Connect with Expert. This will open the scheduling page where you can set up a one-on-one session with a specialist who knows the platform inside and out. On the scheduling page, choose a date and time that fits your calendar. Make sure the time zone displayed matches yours. If it doesn't, adjust it so your slot is accurate. You can navigate through the available days and times using the on-screen controls. When you found the best option, click to select it. You should see your choice clearly highlighted so you know it's been captured. Next, confirm your selection by choosing Book It. This locks in your tentative slot and moves you to a brief form. Here, fill out your basic personal details so the expert has what they need to identify your booking and reach you if needed. Keep your information accurate and up to date to avoid any scheduling hiccups. You'll also see a message or notes fields. Use this to describe what you want help with. Be specific about your goals, the part of your app or workflow you're working on, and any issues you're encountering. The more context you provide, the better prepared your expert will be. Avoid including sensitive information. Focus on the problem, desired outcome, and any error messages or feature names that are relevant. When everything looks good, click Finish. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll receive a confirmation message shortly after. That message typically includes your appointment details and a way to add the session to your calendar. Keep an eye on your inbox in case any updates or reminders arrive before your meeting. That's it. You've successfully scheduled time with an AppyPie expert. Come prepared with your questions, screenshots, and access to your project, and you'll make the most of your session. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your build.